Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You want smooth slow motion, so start by configuring the capture chain. Set your camera to 60 FPS and the highest bitrate or intraframe codec available. This preserves motion detail. Make shutter speed roughly double the frame rate, around 1/125s, to keep motion natural, and use a flat or log picture profile to retain highlight and shadow headroom. Once done, lock exposure and white balance to avoid flicker or color shifts when you slow the clip down later. Next, control environmental factors that reveal themselves when slowing footage. Use bright, steady lighting. Avoid lights with PWM flicker and test at 60 FPS so you don't get banding. Stabilize your camera. Tripod for static scenes, gimbal or lens/camera stabilization for motion. This prevents jitter being exaggerated in slow motion. Also compose with extra lead room in the direction of motion so retiming looks natural. Make sure autofocus is locked or switched to a reliable. Finally, import and retime thoughtfully. Put your 60 FPS clip on a 30 FPS timeline for clean 50% slow motion or a 24 FPS timeline for a different feel but consider judder. Use quality retiming tools, optical flow for smooth interpolation, or frame blending if optical flow creates warps, and render a high bitrate master. If you see flicker, check exposure, rolling shutter, and lighting frequency. If artifacts persist, try a different interpolation method or reshoot with higher shutter speed or frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.